house. I arrived here yesterday like lunchtime. I didn't do much though because it was raining, so I just chilled in the room. This morning I hired a bike because I was going to go do the waterfall bike trip. However, the chain fell off before I got to the end of the road, so I brought that back, not doing that. Instead I met some people and we're going to get a taxi down to like the biggest waterfall and then go to town after for some lunch. So yeah, let's do that. Okay, so we made it to the waterfall. I don't remember what the name of the waterfall is. It was $3 for entry. We took the route with the suspension bridges and then you look down. But the suspension bridge was actually terrible. There's a massive gap at the beginning and end, and the whole thing shakes. So yeah, big waterfall. So you can also go in another exit, which will take you up all of those stairs and behind the waterfall. However, that looks very dangerous. And we didn't want to do that. So we're going to try and walk down next to the waterfall. Hence the raincoats we're all sporting. And hope we don't get washed away. Through the waterfall. It like full on splashed me and it was so cold. So stunning here, and it's so powerful you can still feel the sway. I love it. Now we're leaving. It's a really nice waterfall though, look at it from the swingy bridge.
It still has some hair.
Oh my god.
Okay. Let's have the first bite, guys. Oh, je moet het ook filmen voor je... Of film je nu al?
Ik ben al aan het filmen.
Oké.
Zo.
walk us through the flavours.
It is chewy. I like it.
Yeah?
Of course you like it.
It's like chicken.
Like chicken.
Chewy chicken.
Oh, his organs are there.
Oh!
Now let's have a little bite. You guys want to try it?
Sure.
So a traditional dish in Ecuador is kiwi or guinea pig. So we're going to try it.
I give the 4.
I think it's nice.
What would you give it? 10 out of 10.
I think I would give it an 8, honestly.
It's so chewy.
I think that's the skin.
Lovely.
Did they also give you a lemon?
Yeah. Nice. You like it as well?
I love the guinea pig.
Yeah. Are these organs?
Okay. So the skin, very chewy.
Organs.
Did not like that. The actual meat wasn't too bad.
That's eatable?
Don't say I'm going to have it again though. But yeah,
You guys want to
something to tip off. Okay, so now I've got a meaty bit without the skin to try.
It's pork and chicken combined.
Okay, try that. That does actually taste a lot better. Yeah. I can taste the chickeny porky taste now. It's still not great, but it's a lot more edible. And he's just here digging in, loving it. Would you say it's your new favourite meat?
Not necessarily. No.
Where
But
would
I
you?
think it's an experience that makes it really cool. But I think I will place it on a solid 7 or 8.
Okay, that's good.
I think 7. Yeah? 7 is good. Like, would have been an 8 if it wasn't for the cleanliness of it.
Okay. So there we have it. 7 out of 10.
It's not that convenient to eat.
How much would you give it?
Probably a 5 or a 6.
But it's still pretty high.
The meaty part, that first part, 2, and that's being generous.
Yeah, but that's with the skin. Like, the skin just isn't there.
Yeah, the skin was delicious. Well, disgusting. So now he is now going to try the
Just
ribs.
peeled off the skin.
Oh, okay.
I'm not gonna eat that because that's too chewy. Let's.
So is this the rib or the lung?
Is that the rib?
Yeah, it's like the rib.
Cooey rib.
Free rib. Guinea pig rib. Is it bony? Beautiful sunset back there. What a beautiful day to eat Korean.
Memorable.
Memorable, for sure.
Look at that story.
Oh, we've got some little ribs.
Is that the rib?
Yeah, sort of. Because they like are round, so it's like flexible. Yeah, this is not really eatable. I think this was just a piece of lung.
Oh, nice.
Yeah.
Yeah. So now that you have consumed all parts of the cooey slash guinea pig,
Yeah.
Apart from the brains.
apart from the brains, please tell us your favourite part.
This is gonna sound really weird, but I think especially like the butt was really nice because it was like full of like muscle. Look, you can see it over here as well. Like, so that's like pure meat, and the rest was just, yeah, it was nice.
So guinea pig butt is your favourite part.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
So total score 7.5 out of 10. Yeah.
Nice. Would you eat it again?
No.
Would you eat it again?
I might.
Really? Oh,
Wondering
okay.
whether it's better in Peru.
I wonder if you put it in a wrap, like they said, it would be good.
On a pizza.
I don't think I would do
I
that.
love the porky chicken flavor, and I think if you get rid of the skin and just consume the meat in a wrap, that would be amazing. But we had to do a little surgery over here.
The remains. So there you go. Guinea pig has been consumed, and only one would try it again.
In a wrap, guys. When you don't have to do any of the bone picking.
Yeah.
But yeah, it's an experience from Ecuador.
This one's for Ecuador. Oh, that's not too bad. That's not water.
Good morning. Today is my last day in Baños. I'm getting the night bus at 11:30 tonight. It will be my first night bus. So I just had to check out, and then I just sat in the common area because it's been raining all day. But it stopped, so I've made my way literally from the hostel that's right there to this lookout point to look at this massive waterfall. And look how big it is. I'm not sure it quite does it justice on the camera, but it is pretty big. Not as big as the one yesterday, but it's still cool. But yeah, it has like a little net and seating bit so you can sit out and look at the view. As I said though, it has just been raining, so I'm just going to keep walking to the bottom of the waterfall and see what it looks like from there. So let's go. So I'm not sure I'm going to keep going because it looks very overgrown. And considering people apparently did the walk earlier, I'm not sure this is the right way. Plus with the rain, it's made it very muddy and slippery, so I'm just going to turn around and enjoy the views.